Hello, my people, and if you couldn't tell, I'm playing MLG for... No, I'm not gonna... Okay, but if you can't tell, I'm playing MLG Bird 420, and I'm probably gonna... Wrong way! Ugh, that was loud. Okay, final. And I'm gonna play because I'm amazing at games like this. Spin the Illuminati. 420. Oh my gosh. Beck. Oh. Smoke weed. I love this game. Yeah, Brody, I got the panda hat. You don't. Ha ha ha. If you didn't know, I have the panda hat, and Brody doesn't. Dang it! Sonic, you always kill me. If you don't know, whenever I die, it's because Sonic is right there. Oh, yes. Doritos are so good. Wow. Wow, that was terrible. I'm not clicking on the marijuana because that's bad. Nah, if you ever play this game, I think you should definitely. Never click the marijuana. Never is bad. It'll get you. What the heck? This keeps lagging. I'm only making a 5-minute video because it's not really worth 15 minutes worth of stuff. Where the heck did this just take me? I'm going back. Well, I'm just only gonna do a 5-minute video because yes, Wally wow guy. Wally wow. Dang. There's not really much to do in this game. So, but like, what's your jam?
Everybody listen to my jam.
No, don't listen to his jam. Dylan, stop. I'm doing something here. Dylan, I'm doing something here. Okay. Dylan! Later! Later, Dylan! I'll listen to it later! Sonic! Thank you. Okay.
Fine, I'll listen to it by itself.
Yes, got it. Got it. I just killed myself just to see how much time I have left. I have a minute. Okay, I'm gonna do a couple more rounds and then say screw it. Okay? I just failed. Do. Sonic! See my bad luck with Sonic? I'm not faking this because this game just lags, but I think Sonic lags it. Yes! Yes! That's an automatic 50. Oh, yes. Dang. Dang. Yes. Yes. Woohoo. Dang. I have literally what the heck? No. Away. Shoot all your problems away. Grab your gun, now you're having fun. Shoot all your problems away. I'm not sponsored by Text Sample. I'm not sponsored by anyone, I don't think at least. How would I know if I'm sponsored? I just want to know. Leave it in the comments down below. I won't be sponsored anytime soon. But this is fun. I love this game. And I have the panda hat.